날씨 일기예보는 맑음 햇살 밝은 오후 무작정 어딘가를 향하는 발걸음 너와 자주 걷던 거리 어쩌면 너무 익숙해져 버린 습관과 같아 매일 너랑 기억에 갇혀 살아 한없이 비가 내려 두 뼘 위로 이렇게 맑은데 차라리 빗물이라고 불러대면 마음 편할 텐데 그래
Good morning from Bali. My next adventure has led me to Indonesia in Bali, and right now I've gotten out of my room. I just want to go and explore around and see how it looks like. So right now I want to go to the rice terrace and also go to the real swings of Bali, and here is my ride.
추억들이 피어오르네 그림자 없이 날 비추는 데
Look at how beautiful I look. We are here at the real Bali swing, and I'm just headed down so that I can have beautiful photos of the swings. I have a dress rented and this flower. Look at the real swings of Bali. They have various varieties of flowers, and look at the surrounding nature. We have a river there and it's like a tiny waterfall. And look at the green lush. This looks awesome. Bali swing. And we have those swings over there. And up here, people are just here swimming. And it's so beautiful.
햇살 밝은 오후 한없이 비가 내려 두 뼘 위로 이렇게 맑은데 차라리 빗물이라고 불러대면 마음 편할 텐데
Here with my red flowers on my head. And this looks awesome. Look at the surrounding. I'm enjoying being here so much. Okay, let's move on to the next activity and enjoy the real swings of Bali.
Look at here.
Oh, so many activities to be done here. Next we have this nest. You can get in and someone takes a video of you. So I'm just waiting for someone who will be passing here and request them to take a photo.
Let me live with you. Let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free. Be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance. Baby, find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight. I don't wanna waste another night.
Look, left back.
Hello, beautiful. Look back.
Chin up, look here. More.
Go, Chandaku.
Until you see us behind. Yes, good.
More to life than fears. All I want is a night off. All I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away.
After all the swings and the hustle, I have come to eat lunch. So I have chicken wings, rice, veggies, and some shrimps here, and this coconut water. Yeah, when it is cold, the coconut water tastes so awesome. So let's enjoy lunch at the Bali swing, the real Bali swing.
Something money can't buy. You and me should go dance. Maybe find us some romance.
I'm here at the Mason Elephant Park, and look at this. We have these fish. Which type of fish are these? They're just swimming here. Wow, this looks beautiful. This is the entrance to the Mason Elephant Park. Let's go there and have a good ride and enjoy some time with these mammoths, these big giant animals. So now I'm in this jungle. The things I've come to do here are crazy. I'm going to bathe with the elephants. Let me see if the experience will be awesome, because it's very expensive. It's not cheap as you think. So I hope the experience will be good. Let's go. They said this is what I've come to do here. Swim with the elephants. This is funny. Look at it. And the elephants are over there. Look at them. Wow. So big, so majestic. Look at these giants, guys. This is what I want to ride. Wow. Okay. One leg over. Oh, keep your balance. Okay. 3, 2, 1, chess. Okay. I will follow you. And get ready.
Hard working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away. You and me go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. With you, Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. In Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever.
They take all the basket. What's the basket?
I put the basket.
Ah, no, don't too close. They take all the basket.
Oh, okay.
All done?
Yeah. Guys, now you can see. This is the main reason I had to take a 24-hour flight from Norway to Indonesia just to see these beautiful creations of nature. Look at the ecosystem. So this one is a small pond here with this type of fish. They have a name but I've forgotten. I just love the way they look so smart and beautiful. Can I touch? I feel I'm tempted to touch them.
Give me a reason to get out of bed.
Look at the nature here. It's so rich. The surrounding is so awesome. Various types of plants. Is this a snake? Oh no, look. Is this a snake? Yeah. Oh no. I'm already scared. Oh.
My mind and leave it all behind. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow, I'll let my worries fade. Let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow.
After a very awesome ride, we have this treetop house here. I don't know what it is used for, but look at it. Starting from here, for use of hotel guests only. Oh, okay, it's only for hotel guests. So like the guest, oh, it goes up to the far end. Yeah, so the guests, if they are coming to the hotel, they live here on the treetop. Wow, let's see. Like this. It's so awesome because it is like living in a jungle. Then you wake up to the view of the elephants. This is nice. This is thoughtful. Only in Bali. Wow, I'm enjoying my stay here in Bali. The only problem, I will go back when I'm totally broke. Bali is expensive. I was saying Singapore is expensive, but Singapore is actually cheap. Here, the tourist attractions, the activities, oh my, it's so expensive, so pricey. But anyway, I'm here to enjoy myself, so I will not complain about the prices. If you are going on vacation, go there with an open mind. Yeah, I'm having good experiences, nice experiences. I saw a small snake here. I don't want any encounters with snakes.
Okay, no matter come what may, I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow, let all the worries fade.
And down here we have a museum showing the products of an elephant. This one is a tusk. Oh, they are different. This one is for a female tusk. This one is for what? A male mammoth tusk. Okay, let's learn about elephants a little bit. Infant. This is the tooth just for an infant. They have so large teeth then. Look at them. Wow. And which one is this? Oh, this one is the hair. And this one is the egg. What? They have eggs? Ivory egg? Wow. And here they have jewelries, ivory jewelry, the bracelet, bangles, and so on. That's why they rescued the elephants and brought them here, because people kill them for the tusks. They make these things, sell them at a very expensive price. Look at the carvings from ivory. A And these ones are from Africa. I'm proud of my continent. What do we have here? Okay, these ones are made out of the ribs of the elephants. Oh no. Okay, and what do we have here? Oh, these ones are still bracelets for the ivory. Guys, here are the rice paddies in these pools. You can see the rice being grown, but now I want to go to the real terraces, the biggest one. Let's go there. So we are here at the rice terrace. This is Tegalang rice terrace. I hope I've pronounced it well. Look at it, looking so beautiful. So this is how a rice paddy looks like before the rice gets on your plates. It is raining so much, but I had to come here either way because it is very far away from my hotel.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy.
And this is a close view of the rice. This is how the rice look like. Wow. So they are grown in paddies.
I know that I'm obvious, yet I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely